Hi, I'm Roman, the quoting engineer here at Purple, and you're watching 30 on 3D. I'm the one on camera today because at Purple, I help with our production schedule and I'm one of the key people prepping files to print. Now in GrabCAD, you can easily and quickly create supports with the click of a button. There are a few key things that are easy to edit too, such as anchor points and orientation. Let's see how it's done.
So we have our two parts that are oriented how we wish to print them. We'll go to our model settings where we can individually select the support profile used per individual model, or we can use the default that we set in the tray settings earlier. Here we've selected the part. We click Generate Anchor Points. You'll now see a series of orange pyramids or cones on the part. Where the point of the cone is located on the part is where the breaking point of the support will be connected. Orange are automatically generated. Purple have either been modified manually or added manually. Hold the Control key and select a support to either delete or add it. Click and hold on it to manually adjust. In the Anchor Points menu, there is a legend for the color coding of your different anchor points. To add supports, go down to the next Support Generation tab below, and you can select Generate Supports. This may take a few moments, depending on the complexity of your part or supports. Here we can see these generated fairly quickly. You will want to analyze, look for anchor points that are black or red, meaning they did not finish generating, or look for anything that you wish to adjust. Here we're using the Section View tool to analyze if we have any colliding supports or look at where supports are touching our part. Use that as needed. If you notice there are supports you would like to adjust, move, add, or delete, you can simply zoom in, grab and select those, hold the Control key to either add or delete those as needed. You will notice as you do such, in the left-hand browser, you will have a red exclamation warning. Hovering over that will give you a detailed explanation of why it's there. This one told us we simply need to regenerate support. So if anchor points are adjusted, regenerate supports so that they are reflecting the changes the operator has made. Now, if I don't want to add supports individually to parts, this can be done via all selected or an entire tray. Here I've selected to generate support on all tray models, and you can see here it has completed those supports for each part.
Thank you so much for watching 30 on 3D. If you have any questions, please give us a call or send us an email.